and welcome back to Nagesh Korasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, how are you all? Fine? So very nice. So children, today we are going to learn awareness subject. Okay, so you have to be ready with your awareness skill book. Okay, so before starting with our today's topic, I will ask you few questions. Okay, so on that you will be able to understand what we are going to learn today. Okay, what will be our today's topic. Okay children, so all are ready? Yes. So the very first question is, what is important for us to be healthy? To keep ourselves healthy, what is important? What is necessary? Come on, tell me. Can you have some idea what is important for us to keep ourselves healthy, to keep our body healthy? Come on, think and tell me. Yes? Very good. First one is exercise. Very good. Daily you all do the exercise? Yes or no? Yes. Again, second thing, what is important? Come on, tell me. First one is exercise. In that also we can do many type of exercises like meditation, yoga. Along with that, very important thing, that is to keep ourselves fit and fine. What is essential? What is necessary for us to have so that we will be very healthy, very fit, very fine. We'll get all the vitamins, proteins, nutrients which are essential for our body. Yes? Have you all understood? What is that? Yes, very good. Our diet. So we should have a very proper and nutritious diet to keep ourselves healthy. Now, how to take a nutritious diet, a healthy diet? What things come in that? Come on, tell me. Yes, what we should have? Yes, very good. Exactly, we should have vegetables. So, vegetables, they contain the more amount of vitamins, proteins and all the nutrients that are essential for our body. Okay, so we should have all type of vegetables. So children, have you all understood now what we are going to learn today? Yes, what we are going to learn today? Have you all understood? Yes, very good. Our today's topic is related to vegetables. So all are ready for that? Okay, so today we are going to learn awareness subject, that is our topic is vegetables. So first I will show you some vegetables. I will check how much you all are knowing about vegetables. Okay, so all are ready? Yes, come on, tell me which vegetable is this? Yes, which vegetable is this? Tomato. Very good. Which vegetable is this? Tomato. Yes or no? Yes. Tell me which vegetable is this? Yes, capsicum. Very good. Also this vegetable is known as pepper. Okay, it is in green color, red color and yellow color. You can see this vegetable in three types of colors. Okay, that is red, green and yellow. So which vegetable is this? Pepper. Repeat after teacher. Pepper. This is tomato. This one is pepper. Next one. Which vegetable is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. It is brinjal. But this vegetable, it has one more name, that is eggplant. Which name it is? It is eggplant. Okay. Yes. Brinjal is also known as an eggplant. Okay. What is this? Eggplant. Okay. After that, one more vegetable I will show you. What is this? Every day you all like to eat in salads. Yes or no? Yes. So it is cucumber. Which vegetable is this? It is cucumber. Okay. Now I will show you one more vegetable. See this. Which vegetable is this? Can you see? It's your favorite. Yes, you all like this? Very good. It is lady's finger. But this lady's finger, it has one more name. Okay. So do you know what is the name of this vegetable? One more another name for lady's finger is okra. What it is? Okra. Which vegetable is this? Okra. Okay. See here now. This is tomato, pepper, eggplant, cucumber, okra. Okay, so have you all understood this vegetables? Now you have to take out your awareness skill book, page number 3838. Okay, so have you all opened page number 3838 of your awareness skill book? Yes. What you can see here? What is the heading? vegetables, vegetables. In vegetables, there are variety of vegetables like fruit vegetables. These all vegetables, they look like fruit. So they are known as fruit vegetables. So which are they? First we will see. First one is tomato. Yes or no? Repeat after teacher. Tomato. Tomato. Okay. Next one is pepper. 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 Next is eggplant. 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 Next one is cucumber. Cumber. Cucumber. Next one is okra. Okra. So understood? These are fruit vegetables. Okay children? Now turn the page, next page. Now we will see the root vegetables. Okay? Root vegetables means the vegetables which grow under the ground. Okay? Means their roots are under the ground. Okay? So these vegetables, they are known as root vegetables. Okay? Yes, they grow under the ground. So they are known as root vegetables. So here are some examples I will show you. You have to pay attention to teacher. Now we will see the root vegetables. Okay? The vegetables which grow under the ground, they are known as root vegetables. Okay? For example, which vegetable is this? Can you see which vegetable is this? Yes, very good. It is a beetroot. Which vegetable it is? Beetroot. Very good. Now see this one. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. Very good. This carrot also, it grows under the ground. Okay. So this is also a root vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. Next one is, which vegetable is this? White color it is. Yes, come on, tell me. Radish. Very good. Which vegetable is this? Radish. Okay. Which vegetable is this? Radish. This is also a root vegetable. Okay. Next one is, which vegetable is this? Yes. Which vegetable is this? Onion. Okay. Yes. This is also a root vegetable. And last one is potato. Okay. Which vegetable is this? Potato. This is also a root vegetable. So this all vegetables, they grow under the ground. So they are known as root vegetables. Okay. So which are the root vegetables? Beetroot, carrot, radish, onion and potato. Okay. So now you have to take out your you have to take out your awareness skill book. Next page, that is page number 3939. Okay. So have you all opened page number 3939 of your textbook? Yes. So we will see these are the root vegetables. Now repeat after teacher. Beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. P-A-T-O, potato. Okay, so have you all understood what are root vegetables now? Okay, now you have to turn the next page, that is page number 4040. Okay, now teacher will show you some more examples. What is given here on this page? See, L-E-A-F-Y, leafy vegetables. Now we are going to learn about leafy vegetables. Okay, so what are leafy vegetables? Teacher will explain you by showing the practical things. Okay, so pay attention to teacher. So children, now we will see some more examples of leafy vegetables. Okay, so what are leafy vegetables? Leafy vegetables, they have many leaves. Okay, what they have? They have many leaves, green color leaves. So they are known as leafy vegetables. The very first example of leafy vegetable is this. What is this? Which vegetable is this? Have you all seen this vegetable in the market? Yes, or at your home? Yes, very good. This is cabbage. Yes or no? What your mama she prepares with this cabbage? Yes, cabbage parathas, cabbage manchurian. You all like na to eat? Yes. So which vegetable is this? This is cabbage. Repeat after teacher. Cabbage. Can you see the leaves? See, these are the leaves. Okay, these are the green color leaves. So for this, it is known as leafy vegetable. Okay, so which vegetable is this? Which leafy vegetable is this? Cabbage. Very good. The second one I am going to show you is, which vegetable is this? Yes, methi. Very good. But the name for this vegetable is fenugreek. Okay, what is the name? Fenugreek. Can you see the leaves? Yes, can you see this green color leaves? So many leaves are there, yes or no? So for this, it is known as green leafy vegetable. Okay, which vegetable it is known as? It is known as leafy vegetable. So which vegetable is this? Fenugreek. Very good. What your mama she prepares with this fenugreek vegetable? Come on, tell me. Yes, sabzi and also parathas. You are like eating this fenugreek parathas? Methi paratha, your mama she prepares for you na? Yes, so you should eat this vegetable. It is very healthy for us. Okay, to keep your body healthy, you should eat regularly this fenugreek vegetable. Okay, so this is fenugreek vegetable. The next one is, which vegetable is this? Yes, very good. This is spinach. Also it is known as palak. Okay, this is also very nutritious for us. Okay, so your mama what she prepares with this vegetable? Palak pakoras, yes or no? Palak parathas. Okay, so this vegetable also, it is very essential for us. So you should have this vegetable regularly. All these green leafy vegetables, they contain lot of vitamins and proteins in them. So to keep yourself healthy, to keep your body healthy, you should have a very healthy diet, which includes green leafy vegetables, again fruit vegetables, root vegetables. All these vegetables you should include in your daily diet. Okay, so now we will see some more examples in our textbook. Okay children, so open your awareness skill book, page number 4040. Have you all opened page number 4040 of your awareness skill book? Yes. What you can see here? What is the heading? Leafy vegetables. Yes. So just now I have shown you some examples of leafy vegetables like cabbage. Repeat after teacher. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Fenugreek. F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K. Fenugreek. This is lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. This is celery. C-E-L-E-R-Y. Celery. This is broccoli. B-R-O BROCCOLI, broccoli. So these are leafy vegetables. These are root vegetables like beetroot, carrot, radish, onion and potato. Okay, and these are fruit vegetables like tomato, eggplant, pepper, okra and cucumber. Okay children, so today we have learned the topic which is related to vegetables. Now turn the next page. What you have to do here is one sticker activity. Paste the vegetable stickers in the correct columns. Okay, these stickers are at the last page of your textbook, so you have to peel off the stickers and place them in their proper columns. Okay, like fruit vegetables you have to paste here. Okay, root vegetables you have to paste here, and leafy vegetables you have to paste here. So this page is for your homework. Write here HW homework. Understood how to solve this? Yes? Okay, so this is for your homework. Write HW homework. This page you have to complete at home. So children, now tell me which topic teacher has taught you today? Yes, which topic we have learned? Very good, we have learned the topic of vegetables, which is related to vegetables. So in that also we have learned many types of vegetables like fruit vegetables, root vegetables and green leafy vegetables. So you have come to know now which are the fruit vegetables, which are the root vegetables and which are the leafy vegetables. So children, to maintain yourself healthy and very energetic, you have to keep a very proper diet that includes all this type of vegetables and many other things. Okay, so children, I hope that you all have understood our today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.